Hello, my name is David Andrade with JA Farms in Delta, Utah, Millard County. Farm about 500 acres of alfalfa and then a mix of small grains and corn. The majority of our hay is made in big bales, mid-sized bales, 3x4. We do a little small bale, 2-stringers. One of our greater challenges here in Utah is the dry climate. It's rather arid, and we're seeing difficulty with dew to make up a good bale. I thought the dew simulator would be the most beneficial in that second cutting. This is the first year we've run the machine, and to be honest, we've used it every cutting, every field, every time. Just helps us on our window of being able to bale. We can start a little bit before the dew comes in, or if there's a storm approaching, we begin baling right then and there with the dew machine. Probably a third of our hay goes to local cattlemen, and they want to see a nice tight bale. With the dew simulator, you can get a better pack, better stroke, better flake, and make tighter and fuller bales with better bale weights. With the dew simulator, we've seen greater bale weights, and there's been times where there's a lot of natural dew, so we pull the dew simulator off. I've been very impressed with the Harvest Tec salesmen and representatives that they have. They've come out and helped with any issues we've had with the unit, and also teaching and learning how to operate it. Been a positive experience all throughout. With the dew simulator, we've been able to make good bales with excellent leaf retention at 1,400 pounds. Really good. If you're adding 50 pounds per bale, that's almost 1 ton added per truckload. So with the dew simulator, you can schedule your baling more. Say we're going to start at 10 p.m. and bale until the natural dew comes in and it becomes too wet. In doing that, you're able to achieve 80 acres or more with 2 balers raking and dewing all at the same time, versus prior to that we were lucky to get 40 acres done in a night with getting up several times, checking for dew, when does the dew come in, looking at the weather, trying to guess when the dew will hit, and making the bales, finding that you're either too wet or too dry, starting, stopping, and there's a great waste of time. With the dew simulator, you can schedule your baling and get it done. You can start before the dew comes in, stop the dew machine, and continue baling with natural dew until it's either dewed out or you finish your farm.